Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove filter from Snapchat photo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for you to remove a filter, that is actually quite not possible. For example, let's go to our Snapchat, and when we're over here, let's say we have a picture that have filter on it. For example, we're going to use a filter and click a picture. So for example, I have this filter right over here, and I have chosen this picture I have right over here, and I've chosen this particular filter. Once I have done that, I will have simply to remove it. And if I've already clicked this picture and saved, I have saved this picture, and then I tap, and again I have this particular picture that I have saved. This filter is gonna be with that picture. All I can do is change it again and add other filters right over here. So the only thing that you can do is, once you have added a filter on a picture, you can choose to add in a natural filter instead on top of it, so make it look like, is it fine, something, some sort of. Otherwise there is no way you can remove a Snapchat filter or any filter picture. Even if you do it on your TikTok, on your Instagram, whatever, if you use a filter on a photo and if you click it and save it, then there is no way you can remove it. There is no certain kind of things like that. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.